Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech Helpline. I'll be helping you learn how to change your TikTok name in today's tutorial. Watch the video till the very end to learn how and subscribe to our channel if you haven't yet. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll be notified as soon as we post a new video. Simply go to your app list and tap Open TikTok. As soon as you reach to the home screen of TikTok, tap on the Me icon located at the bottom right of the screen. Now, from your profile page, tap on Edit Profile. You can see that at the very first there is your name displayed. To change your name, tap on Name and enter the name you want to change to. After you're done, tap on the Save button located at the upper right, and with this, your TikTok name will be changed. Similarly, to change your username, tap on the username field and enter a new username you want. If the username is available, you'll see a green tick mark at the right side of your name. After you're done, tap on Save. Now, from the pop-up, you can change your username once every 30 days. Remember that you can only change your username once. So, choose your username wisely, and after you are done, tap on Set Username. And that is how you can change your TikTok name and username. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episode. Thank you for watching.